What day is it?
Huh?
Thursday?
Yeah.
What time is it? I'm setting the timer.
It's almost 1. 12:55.
Really just...
12:53 according to phone.
Okay. Oh, I gotta do something else, dummy. What's the most important thing on here, Kyle?
On what?
This heater. I don't like this thing's... I forgot to do something.
What?
This one that way.
Fire up?
I'm trying, but I forgot something and it'll never work. What didn't I hook up? Because I was so busy wiring this up and figuring all this crap out. I'm on fuel pump. Yeah, the fuel pump. If you don't even recognize it, won't turn on the pump. So I got to go fix that harness yet before I can test it. But I got it. This is so easy to set, man. Bang, bang, bang. You're done. Oops, I forgot to hook up the wire. Just like that, they're both outside today. Oh, Troy's got the rack on that one already. Dueling gears. The hood won't go down on that E. Anyways, yeah, just like that. We'll find something else to put in here though. Well, do they have one there?
No, I gotta order it.
Okay. Tea? It's gonna dump the tire probably out. What are you ladies doing over here? The English curly whirly. Hey, would you tell me how this works? Oh, damn it.
Very carefully.
There must be a capacitor inside because I unplugged it like 5 minutes ago and it kept flashing. There was no power to it. So it finally died.
Something to save the memory.
Yeah, spooks. They call them spooks. That top pin fell right out, or what fell out when you guys pulled it ahead? The bearings? Ooh, yeah, they get greased a lot too, don't they?
Huh?
That's installation grease.
That's what?
Installation grease.
Installation grease from the last time we did it? Where's the grease fitting on there? On the pin?
Other side.
So that would mean you have to walk around. I'm sorry, that was mean.
Get them.
We had trouble with one of these once before. Why is there black tape on the handle?
Troy's battery.
Oh, that's Troy's. Oh, yeah, because him and batteries don't mix, do they? You're hoopa chooping. Alright, so I'm debating. I gotta go debate some more.
Master debating?
Yeah, master debating. Stroke me, stroke me. You know who sings that? Hit her harder. See what happens, eh? Oh. Hey, Troy. Point that camera up a little higher. Oh, you don't have to.
A little higher.
Put the fuses in. Spark, did you hear that?
Yeah, I'm getting a pretty bad reflection off your head.
Really? Look at that. Oh, it's not Monday. Do you know what time it is offhand? Oh.
4:26.
I know what day it is. It's Thursday. Can you see the clock?
It says 427.
What?
4:27.
All right.
Bingo.
Wait. That's where she's gonna go. Sit there. Perfect. Did you guys know that the shop was empty? Swing and a miss. You guys talking about me again?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
You're gonna beat me up?
No.
Why?
I think it'd be funny.
Did you hear that over there? I set the timer and it worked.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm gonna mount it on that pillar.
Really?
Yeah, because when you're an older gentleman, you know, you don't want to be bending over that much.
Okay.
So that when you swing the seat around, you'll be able to just turn the dial, and everything is right there, eye level.
Oh, wow.
Look at. We're supporting that company from. Yeah. What is that for, Troy?
Cut the sheet stuff.
Not the knife. That piece of sheet metal. That's to keep the grease in.
Those weren't even on there.
No,
We weren't in here then, were we?
they were ground away.
They're gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Sing it out. Yeah.
Those are grease seals. Except they're metallic.
Ringing on this.
Those are kind of goodies you got. Ooh, a new Canuck.
What's up here, Mike?
What's up there? Ooh, chowdered right to F, yo. What sets the, oh, this little step sets the whole thing, right?
Pin does.
No,
Yeah.
the step with the bearing, that step in the middle and the two bearings.
That's just to stop the releases. The pin sucks up tight to.
Yeah, to the one, but that's what sets the height overall. Because remember on that B, Bob's?
No.
That was gone, and then Cat had to go in and put that in, and we didn't have the dimension for them, and they guessed when they welded it up.
They didn't probably.
Are you gonna pound that one in? That's not a hammer.
Hey!
Dave.
Oh,
Richard! What kind are them?
bearings.
Timken.
Ooh, big spenders. That one just fell out on you. You're like a little parts whore.
I wish.
There's a shimtacular.
Have a hammer.
We want to see him do something. It's the end of the day, boys. Oh no, it ain't. You got 20 minutes yet. Minutes of quality time. I gotta go. What do you got, Kyle?
Lift kit.
Lift kit for what? A Chevy?
Yep.
Are they too low?
Huh?
Why, do they ride too low?
For what I do with them.
Oh, that's right. You're a bear hunter.
Yep.
What does that say? Roadrunner?
Rough country.
Rough country? And you, remember that time what did you tear off? The front wheel? A couple years ago on your other truck? Busted the A-arm or something? CV, no, the axle, front axle that was.
Oh.
Bear hunting, you were
You
going
want to
through.
know how many axles I've replaced?
How many?
I can't count that high.
Okay.
And I can count pretty high.
This is your woman's truck?
Yep.
It's pretty nice. Way better. I was gonna say, way better shape than yours. Did it used to be your brother's?
Huh?
Was it your brother's at one time, or does he have a white one too?
He's got a white 3/4 ton
Oh.
GMC.
I really like this back here, this sticker. Yeah. That'll make your day. Where'd she get that?
What, Mike?
Where'd she get that?
Order it on.
I like that. Yeah, I will. That just means the Chevy can sit in here any day it wants to because of that sticker on the back. Has it got a Hemi in it?
It's a hammer.
This after hours, so, right?
4.8 liter.
Is that one of them that quits after 4 o'clock? 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder, 8 to 4? Is that one of them? They don't do that anymore?
Well, the rest of them were 5.3 do that. That's why I got a different thing.
I think you ought to. That's a nice truck.
I know it is.
Be a nice service truck. So is that front wheels only?
Huh?
Is that lift kit for the front or the whole thing?
21 is a little tight. Get it.
I better stop and just let you guys go to work. I gotta go. I'm tired because how many days a row did I work?
Oh, it's like 6 hours.
Shut up. All right. Now they're really gonna work. They really work fast after quitting time. See you, bye.